Articulate. Articulate का मतलब होता है जोरदार. Articulate, जोरदार. Common synonyms are fit together, accentuate, and integrate. When children start talking, there are some sounds that they find difficult. When children start talking, there are some sounds that they find difficult to articulate. Audacious. Audacious का मतलब होता है गुस्ताख. Audacious, गुस्ताख. Common synonyms are daring, courageous, and fearless. Their audacious goal is to compete with the luxury cars of their manufacturers. Longevity. Longevity का मतलब होता है दराजी उम्र. Longevity, दराजी उम्र. Common synonyms are durability, long life, and continuation. Increasing our omega-3 intake might therefore support better health and longevity. Execute. Execute का मतलब होता है तकमील करना. Execute, तकमील करना. Common synonyms are implement, govern, and administer. The system allows a computer user to execute multiple programs simultaneously. Provocative. Provocative का मतलब होता है इश्ताल अंगेज. Provocative, इश्ताल अंगेज. Common synonyms are instigative, annoying, and irritating. In a deliberately provocative speech, they criticized the whole system of the economy. Hazard. Hazard का मतलब होता है खतरा. Hazard, खतरा. Common synonyms are jeopardy, imperilment, and danger. The increasing amount of water pollution represents a serious health hazard to the local community. Renovate. Renovate का मतलब होता है मुरम्मत. Renovate, मुरम्मत. Common synonyms are repair, refurbish, and recondition. There are already plans to renovate the buildings and make them habitable. Wrathful. Wrathful का मतलब होता है गुस्सावर. Wrathful, गुस्सावर. Common synonyms are furious, ill-tempered, and indignant. In the Bible, we observe the wrathful and furious destruction of past civilizations. Inclination. Inclination का मतलब होता है शौक या रग़बत. Inclination, शौक या रग़बत. Common synonyms are propensity, proneness, and partiality. We should be grounding our decisions on solid facts, not inclination and intuitions. Exacerbate. Exacerbate का मतलब होता है तकलीफ में इजाफा करना. Exacerbate, तकलीफ में इजाफा करना. Common synonyms are provoke, bother, and become worse. This attack will exacerbate the tense relations between the two nations. Reticent. Reticent का मतलब होता है खामोश. Reticent, खामोश. Common synonyms are reserved, taciturn, and introverted. At first, she was reticent, but later she relaxed and was more forthcoming for decisions. Monopoly. Monopoly का मतलब होता है अचारा या ठेका. Monopoly, अचारा या ठेका. Common synonyms are domination, suppression, and authority. In the past, central government had a monopoly on television broadcasting. Safeguard. Safeguard का मतलब होता है हिफाजत करना. Common synonyms are defend, secure, and keep safe. The new laws encompass important safeguards for credit card customers. Endorsement. Endorsement का मतलब होता है तस्दीक. Endorsement, तस्दीक. Common synonyms are approval, sanction, and authorization. Some spokespersons get contracts for product endorsement worth millions of dollars. Decipher. Decipher का मतलब होता है हल करना. Decipher, हल करना. Common synonyms are unravel, elucidate, and resolve. Deciphering the paradox requires an individual look at each of these concepts. Splendid. Splendid का मतलब होता है शानदार. Splendid, शानदार. Common synonyms are magnificent, dazzling, and lavish. On Christmas Eve, the fireworks looked very splendid against the dark sky. Illuminate. Illuminate का मतलब होता है रोशन करना. Illuminate, रोशन करना. Common synonyms are highlight, enlighten, and elucidate. Hopefully their investigation will eliminate the police corruption in the small town. Euphoric. Euphoric का मतलब होता है बहुत खुशी महसूस करने वाला. Euphoric, बहुत खुशी महसूस करने वाला. Common synonyms are overjoyed, exhilarated, and elated. Scientists are euphoric at the potential success of genetic engineering on humans.